Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Best Western Brenham. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free Wi-Fi and a tea/coffee maker in all rooms. Located 10 minutes drive from Unity Theatre. Best Western Brenham offers an outdoor swimming pool and free breakfast. The rooms provide free Wi-Fi and flat-screen TV with cable channels. A coffee maker, microwave and refrigerator are provided. Rooms with a sofa bed are available. The property features a business center, and vending machines can be found on site. Free parking is available. Brenham Heritage Museum and Pleasant Hill Winery are 10 minutes drive from Best Western Brenham. Somerville Lake is 17 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.